Alright guys, I'm back with another unboxing video. My name is Victor. I'm going to be unboxing a wireless keyboard for my Raspberry Pi. The current setup I have now is a traditional keyboard and mouse, Apple keyboard and wired mouse. Okay, so both are wired devices. So I have this device, multimedia wireless keyboard, RII, Real Internet Idea. Dun 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 dun. Let's see now. The only problem is how to figure out how to open this. Okay, looks like we got a sleeve that slides out like this. Okay. Bam. There we go. Let's unwrap. There's the keyboard. There's the instructions. Paperwork. A thank you from the company. And there's the actual instructions. Cool. And there's the USB dongle to charge the device. So on this end over here, we take this off, I'm guessing, because it needs a wireless dongle to plug into the device that you're using it for. And yeah, maybe we should read the instructions, huh? That would be a great idea. Alrighty. Quick USB charger inside. Plug the USB receiver into the computer port. Okay. That looks simple enough. Alright. Let's unpack the actual thing here. Slide right out of the sleeve. Wow, look at that. On off button on top. Ah, okay, I see it. Sweet. Alrighty. There's a charger, okay. Okay, looks like this is the dongle to charge it as well, because it plugs into this end right here. Bam. USB 3.0 here. Alrighty, so I have plugged in the keyboard into my Raspberry Pi. Turning it on. Oh, it's a nice color. Alright. Let's see. Okay. Using the mouse. Alright, I wonder if there's a way I can change the speed, because that's a little... Okay, so on here it shows the left click and the right click, scroll. Okay, so we're gonna try to open up a web page here. Okay, let's go to that. Okay, you can also press down on that like a traditional mouse. Alrighty, let's go on the internet. Chromium. And it should work. Alrighty, so here I am on reddit.com. If you are inactive on the keyboard for about 30 seconds or so, the backlight goes out. So just keep that in mind. Looks like there's the there's the backlight button. Cool. Alright, got all these nice colors. Sweet. Alright, so now there is I guess there's a tiny lag, but it's not really noticeable. So let's see, as far as scrolling goes, you can just use the side button for this, just like that. Swipe up, brings the page like that. Alrighty. On top of that, it's not really the most premium of feel, but it works. If you need a keyboard that's wireless, light, and portable, I would say this looks like it's a pretty good choice. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed it.